Hey, do you know how to improve background from image? No. My question is how to improve clutter, object or anything from image with AI tools. If you have any of these questions, then this video is just for you. For removing background and replacing it with AI generated background, we will be using two AI tools. First is Wallpaper AI. Now open Wallpaper AI by using this link on browser and select any of the wallpaper that you want to add in your image. Now scroll down here, you will see there is a prompt of image which can use to generate same image or a similar image from other AI tools. Click on desktop option and the image is open in a new tab. If your download is not start, then simply right click on image and save it in your system. Second, go on remove.pg. You will find all links in the description. Upload your image there and wait for a moment. Here, your image is backgroundless. Now, here you see that add background option. Click on it and there are many background available. If you like any of them, then simply click on it. Otherwise, you can upload your own image by click on plus icon. Here is the image is uploaded, which we will choose from Wallpaper AI. Congratulations guys, your image background is changed now. Well, this remove BGAI tool is have two more ability like erase something and restore a particular part of background from image. And other is you can edit your image directly into Canva. Now let's dive into how to remove unwanted objects and clutter from your image. Here, open objectremover.com on browser. Well, this tool is amazing because you can remove any unwanted text and object from your image and download it completely for free. Just follow these steps with me. Well, this AI tool is very useful for graphic designer, for personal use, for social media post, and for e-commerce product images also. And there you have it folks. The future of photo editing is here and it is in the hand of AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell and let me know in the comments which tool you are most excited to try. Go ahead, experiment and create visuals that speak volumes. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.